Welcome, it's Dancing Dude on. Today, me and Dad are going to take you on a POV of the snowball ride at Santa's Village. Thank you, Daddy.
That's crazy. This is a classic amusement park ride that a lot of places have. Some people know it as the teacups or something else. We'd love to hear in the comments below if you've ridden a version and what version you know best. Now, you control your destiny on this ride and you can spin as fast as you want or let the ride do it yourself. We typically give it a real good turn and then sort of relax, enjoy, and see how dizzy we can get. Let us know your preferred way to ride. I'm not trying to murder my stomach. Oh wow, we're cooking now. That's crazy. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did,
please consider liking and subscribing.
Now, if you enjoy POVs and amusement park, water parks, and family fun, you found the right channel. Be sure to check out this next point of view ride, or check out some of our Santa's Village playlist or theme park playlist in the description below. Take care.
Have a great day.